On August 11, 2025, the Supreme Court of India delivered a ruling that has sent shockwaves through Delhi-NCR and across the nation. For years, the issue of stray dogs on city streets has been both a public safety concern and a flashpoint for animal welfare debates. The court's directive is unprecedented. All stray dogs in Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, and Ghaziabad must be removed from public spaces and relocated to permanent shelters within 6 to 8 weeks. This sweeping order marks a dramatic shift from previous policies, which emphasized sterilization and release under the animal birth control rules. The urgency behind this decision stems from a troubling rise in dog bite incidents, with hospital records showing nearly 2,000 cases daily in Delhi alone. The risks, particularly to infants and young children, have become impossible for authorities to ignore. Rabies, a deadly disease transmitted through dog bites, remains a persistent threat. The court concluded that sterilization programs alone do not sufficiently protect public health, insisting that the only viable solution is the complete removal of stray dogs from city streets. To implement this ruling, local authorities have been instructed to establish or expand shelters capable of housing at least 5,000 dogs, equipped with facilities for sterilization, vaccination, and round-the-clock CCTV monitoring. The mandate includes the rapid launch of a 24/7 animal helpline designed to respond immediately to any cases of dog bites or suspected rabies. In a move that underscores the seriousness of the directive, the court has warned that legal action will be taken against individuals or organizations that obstruct the relocation process. No dog, once captured, is to be released back into public spaces, a clear departure from previous catch, neuter, and release policies. This decisive action has ignited intense debate across Delhi and beyond. For many families, particularly those affected by dog bite incidents, the ruling is a long-awaited measure to restore safety and peace of mind. Parents of young children have voiced relief, expressing hope that public parks and streets will finally be safe for play. The ruling has also garnered support among citizens concerned about the broader public health implications of unchecked stray dog populations. Yet, the decision has also faced fierce opposition. Animal rights groups and NGOs have condemned the directive as unscientific and inhumane, raising alarms about the feasibility of mass relocation. They argue that the absence of sufficient government-run shelters in Delhi-NCR could lead to severe overcrowding, animal neglect, and suffering. Prominent activists and caregivers, many of whom have long dedicated themselves to feeding and caring for stray dogs, have staged protests across the capital. Several were detained by police as tensions flared outside government offices. These groups warn that the order reverses decades of humane, science-backed policies and risks inflicting needless harm on thousands of animals. Prominent public figures have weighed in. Rahul Gandhi, among others, has publicly criticized the Supreme Court's move, urging a return to effective sterilization, vaccination, and community care programs. He and other leaders argue that the well-being of both people and animals should be balanced, and that humane solutions exist to address public safety concerns without resorting to mass removals. As controversy grows, Chief Justice B.R. Gavai has acknowledged the complexity of the issue, hinting that the court may reconsider aspects of the order in light of conflicting previous rulings. This leaves the future of Delhi's stray dogs and the city's approach to animal management in a state of uncertainty. The Supreme Court's ruling has sparked a critical conversation about the intersection of public safety, animal welfare, and urban policy. As authorities scramble to build shelters, activists continue their fight for humane treatment, and families await safer streets. The coming weeks will be pivotal in determining what direction Delhi chooses. Will this ruling set a new precedent for cities across India, or will public outcry and practical challenges force a rethinking of the approach? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. The debate over stray dogs in Delhi has reached a crossroads, and its outcome will shape the city's future for years to come.